My warrior's spirit is aroused. I'd like a salad with a little dressing, please.
A really cozy place.
I feel full of energy. This salad is great.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. I'd like a salad with a little dressing, please. Please don't kill me. Dude, you are making something real. Take my tip.
Give me money and cheeseburger. Stuff the bag. You son of a bitch!
It's a chow time.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Just a little bit spicy, please.
I feel full of energy. This salad's great. Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Oh, yes. Is this chef good or what? My friend told me it's a hidden gem. Give me Coke. I'm parched.
You've made my day. Please take your reward. It's a chow time. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
It's a chow time. Could I have fries with some salt on top? I'd rather eat shit to put that...
I'd like some fries, please.
My stomach is a rose. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
These fries are crispy. Keep it up. Could I have fries with some salt on top?
This burger is awesome!
These fries are crispy. Keep it up!
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Could I have a large Coke with extra ice?
Nobody move unless you want to get your head blown off. Ha ha ha! You are gonna pay for this.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
This place is AA 番テイル They have the great